Welcome back to How to Prank It Up. I'd love to know how you got here. Thumbs up the video if you just came to my channel, or comment down below if this video was recommended to you. I really want to know. But I found a video on my external hard drive. It's an old video. I've never uploaded to YouTube. I don't know why I never uploaded it. Maybe because I didn't have enough footage. It's pretty short. But it's a video of me doing a tutorial, a how-to prank, on one of my most infamous, famous pranks. It's basically the prank that put us on the map. We did it to cops and the whole world loved it and they wanted more from us, and so we kept delivering. That was our momentum, is this prank right here, how to do it. So stay tuned. Let's watch this video from the past and I'll catch up with you at the end of the video. So you want to know how to prank. Today we're doing the infamous epic pee prank. First, you need some water. Then you're gonna have to find a pen, something similar. I prefer the pen. It's a perfect circle. Poke a hole right in the middle. Gives you one of the best streams. Bam, see it? Now, we're gonna wanna test the stream, you know. Make sure it comes out good. Look at that, that's perfect. Man, that looks great. He's very hydrated. Some people ask me, why don't you use yellow drink like Gatorade? Well, Gatorade bottles are way thicker than the plastic water bottle. The tops are thicker, so they're harder to poke a hole into. They're hard to control, and they're much more expensive. Water bottle is way more affordable, and when I run out of water, all I gotta do is go to the bathroom, find a faucet, bam, we're ready. Also, people wanna know, hey, why don't you use the mouthpieces like this? The stream is very healthy, but then I might think, wow, that's a horse taking a piss right there or something. But you lose so much more water. The water just flies way out, it's less controlled, and you're gonna find yourself refilling a lot more than you have to. So when you hold the bottle, you wanna do it on the outside of your body. So this way you're not getting any kind of trouble at all. You can put your finger on there to hold the hole, and then go ahead and test the stream. Give it a light squeeze, it comes out by itself. Maybe a little shake. Let go, there's nothing there, you wait. Let it go again, put your head back. Ah.
This is hilarious.
Oh, these flowers need a little bit of water. I am gonna water these flowers.
You know, for a minute I thought that's what you were really doing.
What's that?
I was about to say, don't be peeing in them plants like that. They're for sale.
Do you think I was taking a piss?
Yeah, I did.
Did it look pretty real?
Yeah, it did.
Why didn't you say anything?
What am I supposed to say?
I was testing the stream in my bottle. What were you thinking? I was just...
You got me. You got me. That is so mean.
What's that?
That's terrible.
What's that? It's water. No, ma'am. Ma'am. It's water, honey. It's my water bottle. Hey, look, see, it's my water bottle. I wasn't...
Oh, I'm sorry. I could not believe the way you were. I thought, oh no.
No, I just tested. I didn't want you to walk away thinking that.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just a hole in there.
Oh, okay.
You thought I was doing that?
I thought you were.
Oh, no, I wasn't. I wouldn't do such a thing. It's taking your picture.
the water bottle.
Come on, give me 5. We're tired. We're bored of. I'm tired of waiting, so I'm just giving.
Is that like your trick for the day?
It is.
Oh, I got many tricks.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good. That was.
What was that all about?
On my list. I'm like,
He's like, really? Is he really peeing? Really?
He is not really.
He did a full video to the police, and police
I did it to all the
tackled him,
cops.
and then when they tackled him, I was
Hey,
like, oh, I'm
Dennis,
so
come on in,
sorry.
buddy.
well, really, the next time, just water the bushes. Yeah, really. I mean, if it's just water anyway.
But that's more unacceptable. Where was the fight at?
The
And
bushes are
you
fun.
thought, oh my God, 3 ladies. How cool is that going to be?
I need to entertain you while you wait. Tumbleweed hires me to entertain.
Phone, or I would have videoed that. Right there. So my daughter would have been.
Okay, let's do it again.
Yeah. Can you do
Yeah.
that again?
Yes, can we
Yeah, do it, and I'll turn around. She's probably seen my videos. How old is your daughter?
20.
Oh, she's seen them.
Get down there and lay
You're
that.
faking it, I'm telling you.
How do we know for sure that's
Ready?
Do you have any like baby Bruce or anything in your pants, do you?
She's wanting details now.
What's wrong with baby Bruce?
Yeah, so technically, I guess you could say I'm an OG YouTuber. Wow, so that was a blast from the past, right? The good old days of YouTube. If you made it this far in the video, leave a comment down below, Prank Nation, so I can see you. I will heart all the Prank Nation video comments down below, and I salute everyone in the Prank Nation.